my goodness! Oh my goodness! Ay, no, duro, duro, duro. 힘들다.
Exercise. No, this is a tactical take. When your human sits down, it's a legally binding contract for immediate puppy pounces. Tag, you're in.
Got an audience.
미안해. 원래 산책하면 발을 씻어야 되는 거야. 기집애야.
Why stand when you can sand? This husky has officially reached peak laziness, or maybe it's just the world's first professional floor taster.
Hey! Hey! Get off! Shh, don't yell at me. I did not tell you to come up here, did I? Did Mom invite you? No, she didn't. Yeah. Wow, wow,
Who needs a beach when you've got a bucket and a dream? This dog isn't just swimming. He's performing a high-speed liquid excavation. Splashtown population, one happy pup.
I'm gonna follow you around like you follow me around. What are we doing now? What? Are you confused?
Forget the car wash. We've got a high-tech tongue-powered window cleaning system. It's 100% organic, slightly sticky, and surprisingly thorough. Don't mind the streaks. That's just the artistic touch.
Sasha, Mommy just told you no. Mommy just told you no more swimming. Are you listening? Sasha? Hey, look at Mommy. Sasha, look at Mom.
Go. I'm gonna go down. Okay, down, down. Okay, down. Down? Let's go down.
Warning, high-speed vortex approaching. He's not chasing his tail. He's trying to open a portal to the treat dimension. Spin cycle, engage.
My neighbors probably think I'm evil with my dog outside in the rainstorm, but he doesn't want to come inside. He wants to run, jump in that puddle over there, and he wants me to watch him. Yep.
But sideways. I taught you last time. Let's try again. Not quite. Sideways, okay? I'm gonna go in sideways. And now you go in. See? I told you!
Behold the face of pure, unadulterated Joyand, a potential brain freeze. He's not just eating ice cream, he's having a religious experience. One lick at a time, he's claiming his chili prize.
I realized after hearing a commotion, she's been pushing her dog dish that was on the rug over onto the floor. And not only that, but then she took Clayton's dirty socks. My husband's dirty socks.
Behold the world's most sophisticated solar panel. This lab is currently at 98% battery once he hits 100. The backyard zoomies are going to be legendary. Powering up in 3, 2, 1. Warning, dog.exe has stopped working. One kiss and this pup has officially melted into a puddle of pure bliss. That tongue says all affection levels are currently at 110%. Move over arcade games, we've got the home edition. It's dog versus fox in the ultimate test of reflexes. Will the mouse escape, or is this pup's snout just too fast for cardboard? Game on. And that's a wrap on our favorite furry comedians. If these dogs made you smile, bark at that like button and subscribe to join the pack. Which pup had the best moves? Let us know in the comments below. Catch you in the next one. Keep those tails wagging.